Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. In this video, we'll learn how to install ifconfig command in Ubuntu Linux. So ifconfig is a command that we can use to list network interface. So as you can see here that if I use ifconfig on Ubuntu, it will say that it's not installed, but can be installed with apt install nettools. So we can use the command sudo apt install net dash tools, or we can also use the app dash get install nettools. So it will install one package, which is nettools, and yeah, it's installed. So let's clear the display. If we do ifconfig, it will be available and print the network interface on our system. So what other tools is shipped with nettools? We can use the dbkg -l net tools. Okay, there are a lot of files. This is the files that ship, and if we see here that there are few tools, for example, like other than ifconfig, which is IPM ADDR, IP tunnel, me tools, nameF, and other tools, and including the netstat command that we can use to check port and all network connectivity to our system. So that's it for this video. I hope this is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to How to Dojo. See you in the next video, and bye.